Hi, Busker909 here. This video is for the absolute beginner. It's all about strumming and picking with the, in this case, right hand. Subscriber Ron is restarting his adventure with cigar box guitars. He prefers to play slide and fretless, but he wanted a review on what you can do with your right hand with no pick, just fingers. What I like to do when I strum is I like to use my first finger and make it very, very loose. And I strum it down and up. So the beat of the song, if it's, let's say, with 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. If it was 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, then I would go up and down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The nice thing about using the first finger for me is the back of the nail gives a brighter sound and the fleshy part of the finger gives a softer sound on the way up. Which works out really good because that's kind of how most rhythms work. The downstroke is the important one and the upstroke is less important. And there's a whole bunch of rhythms that you can do with this. One of the simplest ones is 1, 2, and 3, 4. That'd be 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Or you could fill it right in. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Another great one is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Once you've done a bunch of these, you'll realize that, hey, that reminds me of this song or that song. And that's all there is. The difference one song or the other basically is the feel of the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Great. And if you're strumming, always be ready to use the side of your palm to stop things. If it gets a little carried away or you're getting a little loud or whatever. If it's a waltz, that's 1, 2, 3. You can do all downstrokes. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or you can do a downstroke and 2 upstrokes. 1, 2, 3. And this can all be done with the thumb too. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. I don't like the thumb as much, although some people do a great job with it. For me, it all sort of sounds very, very similar. It's easy to lose where the downbeat is. That's why I like the nail a little bit better. If you want to take it one step past that, what you can do is put your thumb on the low string and your first finger on the middle string and your second finger, or I guess it's your middle finger, okay, on the third string. And you can do a waltz, for instance. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And for things in 4/4 time, you can follow what we did before. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. Or 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Like that. Especially if you're playing slide and your root is on the low string. Now, this is a beginner video, but I'm going to take it one level further. You can also finger pick. One finger after another. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, that would work for a waltz. 1, 2, 3. For 4/4 time, you need one more note. So I usually put the middle string back in. That's a very good one. Okay, that was a bit of review. That should be enough to get you started. If you want to get more advanced, I'll put a link to a video I did on using banjo rolls, which is more complicated finger picking. I won't even explain it now, but it's a lot of fun, and it's not hard, But you need to be pretty good at just the basic first. And then it takes you through a whole bunch of combinations that pretty well cover just about everything you'd ever want to do right hand picking wise. We're left hand, for that matter. Have a great day. I hope it was helpful. Bye.